Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Nissan QASHQAI, stock number 6587. This ran from the 12th, 2013 and 7th, 2021. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,